Hi children, how are you? Last class we learned about transportation in animals, that is circulatory system. We discussed about heart and blood. Okay. നല്ല മഴയുണ്ട് അതുകൊണ്ട് അല്പം സൗണ്ട് വരും എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് കോപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക ഓക്കെ അപ്പം our blood is a fluid, it is red in color and blood have three components RBC, WBC and platelet. RBC red blood cells and it contains hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is red color in blood. Next component WBC, white blood cells. WBC fight against germs. Then platelet. What is the function of platelet? Yes, it helps for clotting. It stops bleeding. Okay. Then two types of blood vessels, arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygenated blood and veins carry deoxygenated blood. And our heart is located in our chest cavity. There are four chambers, atrium and ventricle. Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. In between these four chambers are valve. And valve to avoid mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Today we are going to discuss about excretion, excretory system in humans. Next topic, excretory system. What is excretion? The removal of waste material from our body is called the excretion. The process of the removal of the waste produced in the cells of the living organism is called the excretion. What is excretion? Excretion. The removal of waste produced in the cells of the living organism is called the excretion. The parts involved in the excretion, it forms excretory system. The parts involved in the excretion is called the excretory system. Let us study about excretory system in humans. The excretory system of humans consists of two kidneys, two ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. The excretory system consists of two kidneys. Excretory system consists of two kidneys, then ureters, two ureters, then urinary bladder, then urethra. First time human excretory system consists of two kidneys, two ureters, then urinary bladder and urethra. In your textbook page number 127 have one picture. Human excretory system, kidney. The excretory system consists of two kidneys. That diagram you can see that two kidneys, then two ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Let us study about one by one. When the blood reaches the kidneys, it contains useful and harmful substances. The useful substances are packed into the blood. The useful substances are packed to the blood. The waste dissolved in water is removed as urine. Which form? Urine. The waste removed as the water. Which form? Urine. When the blood reaches to the heart, it contains useful and harmful substances. The useful substances absorb back to the blood and the waste are dissolved in water, that is urine. From the kidneys, the urine goes into the urinary bladder through the tube-like structure called the ureter. From the kidneys, the urine goes into the urinary bladder. കിഡ്നീസിൽ നിന്നും യൂറിൻ യൂറിനറി ബ്ലാഡറിലോട്ട് വരുന്നു. ഇങ്ങനെ ട്യൂബ് ലൈക്ക് സ്ട്രക്ചേഴ്സ് കോൾഡ് ureter. Two ureters have urine is goes into the urinary bladder through the tube like structure called the ureter. It is stored in the urinary bladder and it is passed into the end of the opening that is called the urethra. The urine is stored in the urinary bladder and it is passed out in the opening of the muscular tube is called the urethra. Is called the urethra. First time from the kidneys the urine goes into the urinary bladder through tube-like structure called the ureters. From the ureters, the urine is passed out through the at the end of the opening of the muscular tube is called the urethra. The two kidneys, the two ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. These constitute together form our excretory system. Do you understand our excretory system? First time, when the blood reaches to the kidney, the blood contains useful and harmful substance. The useful substance absorbs back to the blood and it reaches all cells of our body. And harmful substance dissolved in water, that is urine. From the kidneys, the urine goes into the urinary bladder through tube-like structure called the ureters. And the urine is stored in the urinary bladder, then it passed out through the muscular tube. From the urinary bladder, the urine is stored and it is passed out in the tubular muscular tube, end of the opening is called urethra. This is our excretory system. An adult human person normally passes about 1 to 1.8 liter urine per day. The urine consists of 95% water, 2.5% urea and 2.5% other waste product. Urea is one of the waste product from our body. Then excretory system in other animals. How other animals excrete their waste? The fishes are excrete their waste in water and it is dissolved in water. The fish excrete the waste substance such as ammonia. It is dissolved in water. Lizard, birds, insect and lizard, they excrete waste material that is uric acid in semi-solid form. Lizard, birds and insect, semi-solid form. Okay dear children, this portion is over. Excretory system. Can you follow me? Today we learned excretory system in humans, fishes, birds, insects, etc. The excretory organ of human body is kidneys, urinary bladder, two ureters and urethra. Then fishes, they excrete the waste products such as ammonia and it is dissolved in water. Birds, insect and lizard, their waste material is uric acid in semi-solid form. Dear children, everybody should read the textbook carefully. If you have any doubt, you call me. Your notes will send through the WhatsApp. Okay, dear children, in next class we will meet again. Thank you.